Welcome back. It is day 5 of our Spotless series. We've learned a lot about cleaning. We're tackling 2 cleaning problems this morning.
Now first, your white sneakers look so nice when they're brand new, right? But it can be hard to keep them that way until now.
I hate when you get that quick scuff like the first day. Our partners at Real Simple show us how to keep those sneakers looking fresh and new.
In this episode, we're going to start with a simple hack using a magic eraser, and then I'm going to show you a more involved remedy that will get out even set-in stains. So let's get started. Bringing in my dirty sneaker, dipping in my magic eraser, oh wow, look at that! This works so well. Thank you, magic eraser. And voila. Look at how dirty that magic eraser is now. Also, because these sneakers are leather, once you use the magic eraser to get everything off, it'd be a little bit damp, and you never want to leave water on leather, so make sure it's fully dry. Ta-da! Looks so good. Let's back up a second. This time the cleaning hack worked, but if you have a really set-in stain, you may need to take it up a notch. Try this. Now in a bowl, I'm going to combine 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. You want to use white toothpaste, don't use the gel kind, and you definitely don't want to use charcoal toothpaste for this. And now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and then also about 1 tablespoon of warm water. Now I'm going to stir this together. You want it to be a paste, so if you added a little bit too much water, don't worry, we can just go ahead and add a little bit more baking soda to even it out. Now that's perfect. Now I have my toothbrush. Look at that, it's working all the dirt. Nice little circular motion. And then after you've gone in with the toothbrush, just take a clean, dry cloth, and you want to wipe it off and make sure there is no residue left on it. Look, it looks so much better. Guys, look how good this looks.
Squeaky Clean to Real Simple is owned by the parent company of Fox 10. That's the Meredith Corporation.
Yeah, toothpaste also good for brushing teeth. In our next half hour, we're tackling cleaning coffee stains. I bet they use toothpaste for that too.
I sure do. All right.